I said earlier I'd show you a workaround for the problem incurred when the difference between the two variables is greater than 128. Let me see here, just to repeat, be redundant, say the same thing using different words. Reiterate. That works fine. Less than or equal to, but if the difference is too far apart, nope, wrong, 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 wrong. Okay, so let's grab all this, copy that. I'm gonna make a new file here, add new file, BCS, branch on carry set. I talked earlier about flags being set when you do mathematical calculation there. Okay, so here instead of BPL, branch on carry set, and this will check whether a flag is set as a result of the mathematics there. And no, it works fine. Less than or equal to. Okay, so that's branch on carry set. The opposite, of course, would be branch on carry clear. And this will say the opposite thing, essentially. So depending on the situation, like I said, the other one, BPL, BMI, differences can't be greater than 128 between the two values. So it has limited use. And then this is more somewhat all-encompassing, the condition that checks whether the flag has been set. So just to do this correctly, now X out of that, put it down here. Okay, so less than or equal to. So you can use them interchangeably, again, depending on whether you want the default condition to be this or this. Okay?